You might have certain accounts that you want to follow very closely and you want to add them into a favorite so that when you go to Instagram, it will appear first, or you can go to favorite tab and you can see all their posts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and remove those people from favorites on Instagram. Let's go. First of all, open up your Instagram app. I'm using an iPhone. The layout is similar with Android as well. So you were scrolling and scrolling, and then you found somebody that you want to add to favorite. So I'm going to show you how to add that account to favorite. So for example, I want to add Donald Trump's account into favorite. So all I have to do is I see the post, I click on the three dots, and I can click here, add to favorite. And once you add to favorite, you can see that the star there will appear beside the account name. Another way you can add that account into favorite is you go to the account, or if you know which account it is, go to the account. Then you can see the word following just below the name. Click on it, and then you can see here, add to favorite. There, it came your favorite. So you can see here is in favorite. When you go back, it's in favorite. To remove from favorite, also similar case, see the post, click on the three dots, remove from favorite. Alright, or you can go to the account, click on the following line, click on remove from favorite. For favorites, you can only add up to 50 accounts to your favorite. Only 50 accounts, okay? Maximum. So choose accordingly, choose wisely whoever you want to add to favorite. Now, how do you manage them? Manage all the favorites. So one thing you can do is you can go back to the Instagram app, go to the Instagram logo, click on the arrow, click on favorites. Then you can see there's a 3 lines at the top right with the star. Click on it, and then you can see all the favorites here. You can even add account as favorite here. You can even remove that person as a favorite here. Alright, or you can click on remove all. When you remove all, everything will be removed. Alright, so this is how you can manage the favorites here as well. Just remember that once you remove them from favorite, it does not mean that you unfollow this account. It just does not appear in your favorite list. And when you add them to favorite, they don't know that they are added as well, so you are safe in that sense. Alright, so that's how you can add or remove favorite on Instagram. If you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so.